Okay, if you could only pack 3 makeup items, what would they be? This should be fun. I'm gonna tell you mine. Okay, number 1, I would say a good foundation. So for me, my favorite is CC Cream, especially for an all-in-one kind of situation because it has your SPF, it's moisturizing, and it gives you a little bit of coverage, light coverage. So CC Cream, and I use Very Light is the shade that I use. So I would say number 1. Number 2 would be a very hydrating lip balm because I always have dry lips if I'm not careful. So I like the Satin Lips. It comes as a set with a scrub, or you could just get the balm by itself, and I keep this in my purse, I keep one in my bathroom. I love this stuff. And recently, of course, they released the pH lip balm that I showed you the other day, which is what I'm wearing today. I've been wearing it like 3 days in a row because I love it. So I'd say a hydrating lip balm, either this one or this one or the other. So my number 3 would be a good mascara. My favorite right now is Panorama. I've told you all about it and I love it. So CC Cream, a hydrating lip balm, and a mascara. Those would be my top 3. I could travel anywhere around the world with those. Yep. What are your top 3?